Hello, going to explain how solar power works in a simple way for everyone to understand. A solar system is just like your own mini power station, and your property will use the free power from this solar system before it takes what it needs from the electricity grid. There are two main components to a solar system: the solar panels and the solar inverter. Whenever the sun shines, even in overcast weather, the solar cells in the solar panels generate electricity. So as the sun goes up, the solar system makes more and more power, and as the sun goes down, the solar system makes less and less power, peaking for about 5 hours during the middle of the day. The grid-connected solar inverter converts the DC electricity produced by the solar panels into AC electricity, which can then be used inside the property. If the solar system is making more power than is being used in the property, the surplus is fed into the mains power grid. If you have batteries installed, the surplus is stored in the batteries, ready to use later or when the solar starts to ramp down or at night. The opposite happens if the solar panels aren't making enough power. What is needed will come from the grid or batteries if you have them installed. Some electricity companies will meter the electricity fed into the grid by your system and provide a credit towards your bill, bringing it down even further. Your electricity bill will only show what you've used from the grid minus what you've sold to the grid. When the solar cells are not producing power, for example at night, your power is supplied by the mains power grid as usual, or batteries if installed, then the grid when the batteries run out or stored power. The energy retailer charges the usual rate for the power used from the grid. As a lot of components in a grid connect system have no moving parts, you can expect a long and hassle-free life from your solar power system. Generous government renewable energy rebates mean you can also save thousands on a grid connect system for a limited time. Call us today